So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished flushing out this Rinnai water heater. So this is a brand new unit. Fortunately, it's a Lennar home, and they've been putting in these isolation valves or a flush kit, which makes it real nice. Plumber can come out and take care of this for you. You can certainly do it yourself. So we've walked through this process. We've flushed this unit out about an hour, 3 gallons of distilled white vinegar. We walked the homeowner through the process as well. That way, if they decide, hey, we'd like to take over from here and flush it, as long as that complies with their warranty, they're certainly free to do that. We also let them know we've got links to the products that we talked about, and then of course distilled white vinegar, Walmart, $2.50 a gallon, no big deal. Anyway, so we got this flushed out, and then additionally ran some cold water through the system to flush out any residual vinegar, so you shouldn't smell anything in the home. Should be cleaned up pretty good. We did test the unit, activated the relief valve to make sure that's in working order, and it does. It's spring loaded, so it pops back in place real good, so that guy's working. Everything looks good here. I mean, honestly, you shouldn't have any trouble with this because it's a brand new installation. So as long as you flush it out once a year and kind of keep an eye on it, you shouldn't have any trouble. Outside of that, the service call is done.